Hey, hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a use case diagram for hospital management system in staruml. Okay, so I've already done use case diagrams in for library management system and for online shopping system. So if you want, you can just go and check that videos. It's in my video list. So now let's get started. So first, you need to go to model. Okay, model. I need to go to add diagram, and you'll be having a list of diagrams. You need to just hit use case diagrams, and you'll be getting all the necessary shapes to draw your use case diagram. So first let's just start from the basics of like the actors. Okay, so here we will be having like multiple actors. In my case, I'm going to assume four actors. It's good to have like necessary actors, I would say. So the actors are going to be patient, doctor, and you can call manager, hospital manager, or receptionist. It can be either the way. And hospital backend staff or employee. Okay, staff like who just checks for all the medicines, who just checks for the inventory of the medicines, the electricity, calculates the electricity bills of the hospital, all those profit and losses, and statistics, basically like the person who just maintains all the statistics. So I'm going to use these four actors. Okay, so let's get started. So first I will just put the use cases. Okay, let's start with the use cases. In all case, our first use case is going to be register. Okay, online system, irrespective of what the topic is, it's going to be register and login. Okay, this is how we begin. It's going to be login, and next just put our actors. Okay, it's going to be patient. Okay, ATINTS. Okay, that's good. Patients and or doctor. Okay, and it's going to be a manager or receptionist. Okay, receptionist. Okay, and another actor is going to be like, as I told you, like who just does take care of all the statistics. Okay, it can be like hospital staff or something like that, just a random employee or a staff. Okay, just put employee. Okay, hospital employee. Okay, that's good. So now let's begin our diagram. So register. Okay, so as you know, for use cases, like you need to have certain use cases like specific for each character actor. Okay, for example, for patient, register is specific. Okay, so because like I'm assuming that a manager or receptionist or doctor are pre-registered because it's their own hospital system and they need to be pre-registered. Only if some, in case of like a new doctor or new person arrives there, they can just get automatically registered to the system. But a patient is like a newcomer and he may come like multiple number of times, and it's not going to, he can even log out at times, even delete the account. But a doctor is someone like he needs to be pre-registered always. Let's just, instead of this hospital employee, let's just change it. Okay, let's just change it to hospital like head staff or head manager. Okay, like a person who has like complete access over all the things. So for like he has control over all things, like just a person. Okay, so he, the exclusive for like that, such a kind of person will be like he's the one who can control the all the salaries for each person. Okay, he's going to be exclusive for him. And there are also like some use cases need to be common for like all the actors. Okay, so it should like have a mix. Okay, exclusive for each actor and like common for also all the actors. So let's go to the next one. Okay, so we have done with login and register, and next is going to be for the patient, because ultimately patient is going to have like all the things. Okay, and the next thing is going to be the doctor's appointment. Okay, appointment. Okay, this is also important thing, because you need to just select the which daughter you are going to look in through. And after the appointment, there is also like a common thing known as a checkup. Okay, so this is like a normal checkup. Like here you won't just, it will be like, as you can know, normal checkup. Suppose if you are registering for a normal checkup and visiting the hospital, like it isn't doing anything. It's just exclusive for patient, because checkup isn't done anything with doctor. Okay, you can just go and fix an appointment and meet with the doctor, but checkup is like a normal routine. Okay, And next is going to be the prescription. Okay, so this is like going to be common for both the doctor and the patients. Okay, prescription. Okay, that's good. And another one is going to be like the patient details. Okay, so this would actually like come in top. Okay, I guess, because after login, it should come before login. Okay, because only after entering all your details you can log in, so it should just come after before login. Okay, and after that, like after that it's pretty straightforward. Okay, it is going to be just common for everyone around there. Okay, it's going to be like the statistics. Okay, statistics refers to the, like as I told you earlier, the electricity bill, all the necessary cost of like the machinery and the payment. Okay, it just involves like how many patients are there in the hospital right now, how many have been discharged or not, and that all that stuff including the statistics. And this statistics is only visible to the hospital management head. Okay, that is going to be the hospital head staff. Okay, a doctor or a receptionist or a patient can't view this because it's just like private information for the hospital. You can't just leave it to be visible to the public. Okay, and next is like this can be like patient status. Okay, patient status. So whether the patient is like still needs treatment or is ready to get discharged. Okay, it's just a patient status. Okay, and next is like the fees that like a patient has to pay. Okay, payment, just put payment. Okay, it can be like the doctor consultation fee or like any major operation or something like that. It's just a plain payment. Okay, so you get like these are quite good. Okay, so now let's just put an arrow. Okay, data association. So from patients to register. Okay, be one, and patient details is going to be one, and to log in it's going to be one, and appointment, be careful over putting this appointment, and checkup, and prescription is like it's good. Doctor is going to give for the patient also. So patient also is at the receiving end. Okay, just put for prescription also, and patient status and payment statistics. Okay, so now for the hospital head staff. Okay, he has like control over the statistics. Okay, and for a manager or receptionist, he has like the patient details. You need to have the patient details because like in case of any inquiry or such kind of stuff, the manager or receptionist needs to have all the details. And as you can just log in. Okay, and for the doctor, okay, if doctor is also has access to the patient details. Okay, and has the login also as well, and appointment, and checkup also you can like give an arrow. Okay, I will recommend you to give an arrow. Okay, okay, so after this, if you want to add some more use cases, you can go for like uh, hospital supplies. Okay, so this includes like all the monthly supplies, like all the necessary medicines, the equipments, like the mask and gloves, all those stuff. So hospital supplies. So this hospital supply is going to be just controlled by the hospital itself because he's going to take in charge of all the things. Okay, and other one is also going to be like the medicines. Okay, just put it here, the medicines. Okay, suppose if your hospital has pharmacy associated inside the hospital itself, like some hospitals have attached pharmacy to it. So in case like medicines can also be there, and can just draw, and a doctor can just directly suggest a medicine and the patient can get it from the pharmacy. So just same as prescription, but medicines are some doctors can directly give the medicine also. Even the case can happen that way also. So hope like we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, having 11 uses. I think that's pretty good. And we have like 4 actors also, and I guess each of them are having like their own purpose. Okay, actors, we are not added like forcefully adding an actor. They have their own role. Okay, so I hope it made sense, this use case diagram for hospital management system, and I've also done other diagrams as well for activity diagram, class diagram also I've done. Just a general one. Also check that video also. So mine is actually a programming channel. I've done tutorials in C, C++, Python, Java, Blender, and Unity. It will be really great if you check other videos of my channel and subscribe and support me. And thanks for watching.